to talk about abnormalities in some of the hormones. So we said growth hormone, as the name implies, it facilitates the rate of growth. If a person has too much growth hormone, before they stop growing, they will become a giant, taller than usual. If a person has too little growth hormone, they will be very short. They will be a dwarf. Now, growth hormone does not have a significant impact on intellect. So in people who are dwarfish, their intellect is very intact. Now, if growth hormone increases after the person has stopped growing, they will have something called acromegaly. Megaly means large, acro means extremities. So, their tongue will grow big, their hands will grow big, their feet will grow big. Now, it does occur, and in some women, it can occur after they've given birth to a child, especially if they are quite young. So that's acromegaly. Let's talk about ADH, which we talked about in one of our earlier videos. ADH stands for anti-diuretic hormone. Anti meaning against, diuresis to pee. So this hormone literally stops you from peeing a lot. Therefore, if this hormone is not there, you're going to pee like a fire hydrant. Now, if a person is losing a lot of water, that means they're going to also be very thirsty. So they're going to drink a lot. This condition is called diabetes insipidus. Now, diabetes because it's characterized by polyuria, peeing a lot, and because they're peeing a lot, they're very thirsty, so they have to take their cup and drink a lot. So they dip their cup into the pitcher to get water, so polydipsia and polyuria, which characterizes diabetes insipidus. I deliberately capitalized DIP and SIP. Those are the three features of that, two features of diabetes insipidus: polyuria and polydipsia. As opposed to diabetes mellitus, in diabetes mellitus you have polyuria, polydipsia, and polyphagia, which means the person will be eating a lot. We'll talk about diabetes mellitus in a later video. Alright, so next thing we'll talk about another one in one of our new videos, so